Hey guys, Ben Maddox here for Johnson RV, out here enjoying some beautiful weather. This is home of America's largest pre-owned motorized RV store. I want to talk about a perfect piece today. This is our 2014 Forest River Sunseeker. This is one of their in-between sizes. This is a 2650, so overall length is going to be closer to 28 feet. So for those of you who don't want something as big as like a 32 footer, which is your standard Class C size that has like bunk beds and all of that stuff, but you don't want something too small, this is a nice in-between size. Built on your E450 Ford chassis, has your Triton V10 motor, 305 horsepower, great for pulling, getting over the mountain. So great platform it's built on. As far as Forest River goes, it is owned by the Berkshire Hathaway Group, owned by Warren Buffett, so really well-built product out in the Midwest. So we're going to take a walk around the outside and then we'll go check out the inside. So outside we have a nice high gloss gel coat with decals. You can see they still look like brand new. In fact, all throughout, this is probably the nicest 2014 you're going to see, and it's $50,000. So great price point for something that looks as nice as this does. You've got nice little storage compartments on the outside of the Sunseeker, kind of scattered throughout. Class C's aren't known for having a ton of storage, but this one actually has a lot in the back. You've got a quick propane connection right there, so when you got the awning out, hanging out with the family, you can just hook up the barbecue real quick and make a meal. Got a storage compartment there as well. All Rotocast molded compartments in there, so easy to clean out. 6-gallon hot water heater. You've got 110 shore power connection out on the patio. Service center for your fridge and your freezer and your furnace as well. That'll get hot when you've got it on, so don't touch. A little more storage compartment there. So just enough to take, you know, your small belongings, camp chairs, firewood, all of that stuff, but check out this monster storage compartment in the back. So the reason you get this type of storage compartment in this floor plan is because of the bed orientation, which is a north-south bed orientation. So they give you these huge cavities underneath the back bed area to be able to store everything that you need. And the benefit to that is you have 3 different access doors, so when you throw stuff in there, you can pull it from any of those 3 access doors. On the back, you've got your tow receiver, which is rated at 5,000 pounds, so easily, obviously, tow a small car, small SUV, horse trailer, something small like that. Moving around to our driver's side, which is where we have all of our utilities, so when you pull up to your campsite, it's easy to line everything up. You know where to plug in. This is just the other side of your passenger storage compartment. Your shore power cord is inside here, which will tell you right here on this sticker, and you can just run it out that little opening right there. City water connection. You've got your fresh water, potable water fill, sewer hose here. That's your dump station. Easy access there, so it's not too far out. It's not too far up underneath, so easy to get to. 55-gallon fuel tank, so long range to be able to get to where you're going. Black water or black tank flush right there, keeps your black tank fresh, easy to clean out. And so you actually have, sewer hose there, dump station right here. And then underneath the slide, you do have one more storage compartment here. Actually, that's your propane compartment there. And then right underneath the slide, you have your 4,000 watt Cummins Onan generator. Open this guy up so you can see that. That is a quiet gas generator. Nice thing about that is it pulls from your primary fuel source. So if you are boondocking or dry camping, that means you get to do it much longer because you have a large fuel tank that you're pulling from. So that is the outside. Let's go take a look at the inside of this 2014 Forest River Sunseeker 2650. Hey guys, Ben Maddox here again for Johnson RV. We are now inside this gorgeous 2014 Forest River Sunseeker. It is honestly hard to tell that this is a pre-owned motorhome, which is very consistent with a lot of our pre-owned inventory. If you look at a brand new one and look at this, you'd be surprised to tell that it is pre-owned. So some really cool things about this floor plan, but before we get there, I just want to talk about the cab area a little bit. So as far as your E-Series cab, pretty stock. It is very commercial because they do use this for a lot of other things other than motorhomes. But the couple things that they do change, number one is that in-dash screen. So it's a touch screen, it's got satellite radio, and that has your backup camera integrated into it. These seats do not swivel like some of the newer ones do, but they do obviously slide back and forth. And then so up above, this is a little different cab setup. So over the cab area, a lot of times the bunk is just one big bed with a gap that you fill in here. This is actually set up into 2 twin beds, so it's really nice as far as separating these if you have 2 small children that need to sleep up here, or 2 adults for that matter. It is big enough. And there is a piece here that folds over in the middle if you want to make it into like a king-size bed. Moving into the living space, excuse me. So you've got a couple different places you can sit. You've got a really nice big dinette booth, which does convert into a bed. So this top piece here, you just flip this latch and it slides straight down, so you can make it into a bed very quick and easy, which makes setup in the morning for breakfast that much easier. And then you do have a nice little barrel chair here for seating, being able to hang out, watch TV and such. All vinyl floor throughout, so really easy to clean. If you ever damage it, it's easy to fix. Have solar that was added to it, so there's a solar switch right there, which is going to give you a good trickle charge on your batteries. Your main control panel is right here, so this is where you can control your slide. So that controls your slide in and out. Water pump, water heater. This does have what's called an Arctic package. So if you know Forest River products, what they do is put a blanket, it's a 12-volt heating blanket around your holding tanks. So in inclement weather, freezing weather, you turn that on, and all it does is keep your tanks from freezing. And then light switches and such are right there. Generator start and stop, and then checking all of your tank levels in one convenient place. Galley space, when you're getting into smaller RVs, you don't generally get these huge countertops, but they do give you some nice usable space. Dual stainless steel sink, residential faucet, a little bit of prep space here, and then you've got a counter extension right there. Lots of storage scattered all the way throughout and up above. Standard microwave. You do have an oven, which is uncommon nowadays with motorhomes, so a lot of times you'll see a storage compartment there underneath. 3-burner gas cooktop. Good size fridge and freezer, which is a 3-way fridge, so you've got a few different power sources to be able to power that off of. Let's take a look at the bathroom. I'm going to swing this door open so you can see. As far as bathroom space, it is limited, but it's the perfect size for this type of motorhome. You do have a real glass door, easy to get in and out. So you have a skylight, so you can easily be 6.5 feet tall and fit in here no problem. I'm 5'9" and fit with ease. A little bit of storage here, and then sink and toilet paper. All right, and then moving into the bedroom, so I mentioned on the outside, the reason you have that big cavity underneath where that pass-through storage compartment is because of this bed orientation. So you still get your walk-around bed, so it's easy for both partners to be able to get in and out. And then you've got wardrobes on each side, and then storage up above. You can see you've got real, cabinetry, solid wood cabinetry all the way across, which is Amish built cabinetry, very good quality stuff. Right over here on the other side, if you want, there is a place you can install a TV. So it's set up with 12-volt power, which will hook right into your battery, so you don't have to get an inverter to take your battery power to a 110 outlet. So you got a couple different ways you can power a TV there. So all in all, great size RV, immaculate condition. This is our 2014 Forest River Sunseeker 2650. You got to come and see it to really appreciate how nice this is. It's hard to find a motorhome for $50,000 that looks brand new like this. So you guys got to come check it out here at Johnson RV. When you do, make sure you ask for Ben.